A 60-ton boulder precariously balanced on smaller stones. How did this phenomenon come to be? This balanced rock in North Salem, New York, challenges our understanding and leaves us pondering its origins. Was it deliberately placed there by ancient civilizations possessing skills beyond our comprehension? Or is it merely a product of nature's whims, shaped over millennia by relentless erosion? Look around the world, and you'll encounter numerous megalithic wonders, often linked to legends of lost civilizations and arcane knowledge. Could this rock be yet another intriguing clue hinting at the possibility that our history holds secrets we have yet to unravel?